I added a milk powder. I added the sugar powder. Then I added the essence. I added the baking soda. I added the baking powder. I mixed well. I added the milk and cream. I mix. The batter is thick and fine paste.
Switch on.
I switch on the gas. I apply the butter on the pan. I apply the batter on the pan. I covered the pan by lid. The pancake is cooked. I flipped the pancake. Again I apply the butter on the pan. This is big pancake. I flipped the pancake. I cooked the both side of the pancake. I took a plate and I apply the butter and I apply the sugar syrup and I cut the both side of the pancake. I apply, eat and enjoy this pancake very much. And this pancake is very tasty. My grandfather is also enjoyed this pancake. My grandfather is like it. I also like it this pancake. Thank you everyone.